Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated Realme GT7, the next flagship killer that's set to make waves in the smartphone market. From its sleek design to powerhouse specs, we've got all the exciting details covered. Starting with the design, leaks suggest the Realme GT7 will feature a premium glass back with a bold camera module, a flat AMOLED display with ultra-thin bezels, and a punch-hole selfie camera. Fans are also hoping for the return of the alert slider seen in previous models. Moving to the display, the GT7 is expected to pack a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth visuals for gaming and scrolling. The big question is whether it will include LTPO technology for better battery efficiency. Under the hood, the performance is rumored to be top-notch, likely powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 940 Plus chipset, combined with up to 8 and 16 gigabytes RAM as in UFS 4.0 storage. This setup promises blazing fast speeds for gaming and multitasking, making it a true flagship contender. For camera enthusiasts, the GT7 might feature a 50-megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a Periscope telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. Realme could also introduce new AI-powered photography features, potentially putting it in direct competition with brands like OnePlus and Xiaomi. Battery life is always crucial, and the GT7 is expected to house a 7,000 mAh battery with 100 watts, or even 120 watts fast charging, allowing a full charge in under 25 minutes. The inclusion of wireless charging would be a welcome bonus, though it's still unconfirmed. On the software front, the phone will likely run Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 15, promising smoother performance and better optimization. The big hope is that Realme extends its software support to 4 years, matching competitors. So, should you wait for the Realme GT7? If you're looking for flagship-level performance, a high refresh rate display, and impressive cameras at a mid-range price, then absolutely. But if you need a phone right now, the GT6 or GT Neo 6 are solid alternatives. What do you think about the Realme GT7? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Stay tuned for the official launch coverage. See you next time.